Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be going over this application that I found called Class Dojo. This application, Class Dojo, really helps with teachers being able to have a community with the parents and also with the students and their colleagues. So in this application, the way they form communities is first and foremost, you're able to share pictures and be able to send messages to parents very easily through this app. So as we see here in this example, it says, Michelle's mom, thank you for working with Michelle on her schoolwork at home, is what the teacher is saying. And the mother responds, we had no idea she was struggling with math. It was really helpful. And then the teacher is able to send the mom a picture of her girl in class, happy and doing her work and everything. So that's a feature I really love because it will be able to help create a better relationship with the parents. My favorite feature of this application is actually the rotation feature. So as a teacher, we're going to have to make rotations for our different subjects and be able to disperse all the kids equally in order to go to their rotations. So not only are you able to make your rotations in this app, as you see, it tells you how many students per group, and then you're able to put in their name and everything. The fun thing about it is that because it's called Dojo, they create these Dojo characters to where you can specifically have the students create their own dojo on their own time, or you're able to create it. So it's like these fun little characters, which specifically more in the elementary side, kids will be more interactive and have more fun with that aspect. So I really like this feature. The other thing about this is that if the school provides, iPads or computers through this app, you will also be able to have your kids to have a voice with digital portfolios. I mean by that is that your kids are able to showcase their learning by adding photos and videos to their own digital portfolios. And it's available on Chromebooks, iPads, and any computer. And as I was watching this video that they provided here, I saw that as kids were working on their assignments and, typing in everything that they had to type in, the teacher is able to give them dojo points. So dojo points is basically like a reward system that the teacher is able to do from the app. And while the kids are working on their assignments, the teacher is able to give them awards and the students see it on, for example, they'll get like a notification. For example, Miss Carrillo just gave me 3 dojo points for doing this assignment. So I really love that because it'll encourage more of the students. And my favorite thing about it and the most exciting thing that I found out is that Class Dojo actually gives us teachers free resources for our lesson plans. So I'm just going to go in here and I've already downloaded every single thing because it is so cute and I fell in love with it. So Class Dojo actually gives us resources such as welcoming the parents when we have that first parent teacher meeting. They give us back to school night presentations. They give us, welcome students on the first day of school, a parent introduction letter, and along with the parent introduction letter and the student introduction video, these two go hand in hand because they actually are a resource that we're able to use when we're presenting Class Dojo to the parents. So the parents could come and be like, what is Class Dojo? What does it mean? How is it going to help my children? Well, they are able to see this letter and this video when we present it to that class on that first meeting that we'll have. So that's what I like about Class Dojo is that it provides you with those first interactive resources that we're going to need in order to show the parents what we're going to be using in our class. And of course, everything is free. And they also give you a decoration pack, which is amazing. They give like dojos for you to put around your classroom. And yeah, this application is very good. It can be used in K through 12 classrooms. And I hope this video helped you see what a great application this is.